I really love the fact that you guys have turned this business around.
Being ambitious and having the ambitions that I have, I didn't want to be here forever and not be a part of this.
I know this is important, I fully support it, but there's moments where I'm like, I want to be important too.
Would you take 5 days off?
Just about. I really left half day Friday and got back Thursday, so almost a full week.
You know, you meet these guys, you do an onboarding session, you start working with them, you start the coaching process, and then we call our friends. Us, along with all these people, are coming around this team to make sure they're going to be successful.
So I want to hear all of their stories. Do you think we can head over there?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Let's do it.